Hello everybody to the lesson number 8 of HTML5 Deep Understanding. Today we'll get HTML paragraph tag. We will explain some details about this tag. Let's see what we have. Here in this code we have a simple HTML code. We have the HTML tag, which is paragraph tag. We have talked about it, which contains, we could write a simple text here. I'll write here simple paragraph tag. Save it and see that tag in the browser. This is our tag, or this is the our content. So we have in the paragraph a normal text. So the paragraph prints a normal text. Imagine that we have spaces like that, this space, and here we have some lines. What do you think? What would be print? We will see now what we print. The same. Print the same. So in the paragraph, the browser removes the spaces and the lines that we have. So they print only the text with a normal space, with one character space. So it will print the same as like that, without any new lines or any big spacing except the one character space. Also imagine that you need to make a break line after that in this place. You could add the pre-r as we have seen in the previous lessons. So refresh that website. So simple paragraph. So when you click, when the browser arrives to that tag, he prints a new line tag. So simple paragraph and then new line, then tag. Okay. Also the PR, you could add it as many as you want. For example, here imagine that we have a lot of tags like that, and we need to have a break line between every tag. So we will write like that and like that, and we will copy and paste it many times, so we could have the tag many times. So our rollback. Also imagine that you need to write something and you don't need to be changed. For example, I need to write like that and spaces like that without changing, then the new line like that without changing, and something like that. I mean, the spaces and the lines, you don't need to be changed. We'll save this and we will refresh the website. It doesn't do anything for them. If I need to I need to print this code as it is, as I have written that, you could use PRA. PRA means pre manipulation, means without any manipulation or any interfere of the browser. We will refresh this browser and we will see what we have. The same as we have written. So if you need to write the same as you have written, you could use it like inside a tag of pre. So the pre tag could print the codes as it is without any changing in the styles. So today we have learned pre and the tag of the paragraph, which is p, and also we have learned the last thing, which is PR. See you in the next lesson. Bye.